Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this glamorous purple cut crease look. So hopefully by the end of this video, you can create this on your own eyes as well, or you just feel confident enough to create it. So we're just going to get started. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is prime the eyelids. Like always, I'm taking my MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelid. I'm just using a big kind of like concealer brush. The one that I'm using is, let me check for you guys real quick. It's the Sigma Beauty F72. So normally I used to use the P84 brush from Sigma, but that one is not available anymore. But this one looks really similar. So it's the soft angled concealer brush and it's really nice as well. So I'm just using this to blend the primer all over the eyelid. Then for the next step, I'm going to take a little bit of powder, again using a Sigma brush. This is the F35 from Sigma Beauty, really nice one. Then I went in with a eyeshadow guard. If you don't have those, you can use some regular sticky tape, that will work as well. Or you can just skip this step. It's not like you don't have to do this in order to achieve the look that we're going for today. After that, I used a little bit of brow gel. I always do this after priming the lids. And today I'm going to play with the Disney The Little Mermaid palette from Sigma Beauty. Such a beautiful collaboration. I received it in the mail and I was like, oh my god, this is so freaking stunning. The colors are very gorgeous. So I wanted to do a look with it. I actually have another look in mind that I want to create with this, which is... I don't know if it's going to turn out the way I have it in mind, but if it does, it's going to be very beautiful. So that will be up on my channel, hopefully within the next upcoming 2 weeks. But I started with this soft purple color, and I'm just going to blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner, just blending this all the way here. This is going to be the transition shade, the first color that I will blend into my crease, which is going to make all the other eyeshadows blend out more easily. So now I'm going to go in with this color, which is kind of like a dark matte purple shade. I'm using a tinier brush to blend this like right into my crease area. So it's a lot darker than the previous color. So normally I would first go in with like a medium purple and then go in with a dark purple, because that will just make the blending more easy. But this palette didn't have all those shades that I kind of needed, so I just had to do it with what I had. So I just went in with that dark purple right away, and then I just tried to focus on blending it out as much as possible. So I just dipped my brush into that dark purple color and also in that first purple color that I used, kind of mixing those two on my brush, and I just kept blending and blending. Then I went in with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm using it in the color NC15, and I'm going to use this to cut the crease. So I'm going to like create a line like right into my crease area, which is going to create that cut crease effect. And I know you guys feel like I'm doing quite a lot of like cut creases lately, but you know, I'm just really into the mood. And I mean, the holidays are already around the corner. This is actually my favorite season of the year for creating looks, because I feel like, I mean, I can create those looks all year around, but now I feel like I just have an excuse because the holidays are coming, and I just always enjoy it more this time of the year. I don't know why, but I just really like it. So now I'm going to go in with this color Jellyfish, and I'm going to use that in the center of the eyelid. So at the inner corner I used that light color, and now in the middle part I'm going to go in with this color. I wanted to create kind of like an ombre effect on the eyelid, going from light to dark. So this one is also going slightly on top of that first color to kind of like make those shades fade into each other. Then I'm going to go in with this kind of like bluish color, but it also looks kind of purple on the lid. It has kind of like this purple sheen to it, which is so stunning. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to use that at the outer part. And then I went in with the color Dark Magic again, that dark purple color that we used for the crease as well. And I'm going to use that at the outer part of the eyelid and kind of like tapping it on and then trying to kind of like blend it into those crease shades. Then after that I went in with a little bit concealer because I felt like it was looking a little bit messy in this area, so just a little bit concealer to clean it up. Then I went in with the Sigma Beauty Wicked Jaw Eyeliner, which is a black jaw eyeliner, and I really like this one. I'm using a Sigma E75 brush, and I'm going to use this to create a line above the lash line first. I do have a special discount code for Sigma Beauty, which I will link down in the description bar in case you're curious. So now I'm going to create the line that goes from the outer portion, kind of like upwards, to create that wing liner. Absolutely love this brush for this wing liner. It's actually called the angled brow brush, but I really like it for eyeliner. You know, whatever works, works. So now I'm going to go in with the Balm Cosmetics Swing Liquid Liner. So I'm going on top of this because it makes the eyeliner look even more black. It has a really beautiful matte finish and it will just stay more long lasting. Then I went in with this pencil from Benefit Cosmetics. I don't think I've actually used this before, but it's a really beautiful like purple pencil. So I felt like it looks so perfect with those colors in the crease. So perfect for today's look. And then to blend out the lower lash line, I'm going back in with this kind of like bluish purple shimmery color. I'm using a Sigma flat definer brush, kind of like pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm just sweeping my brush back and forth to really like pack it on. So then after that I just kind of like keep blending my brush back and forth until I'm happy with how that looks. And then now it's time for mascara ready. So first I'm gonna curl the lashes, and then after that I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. I personally really like this mascara. I will go in with fake lashes, so I'm not too focused on making my upper lashes long, but I will go in with the Tink Mink lashes from Be Perfect Cosmetics and popping them right in the center of the lash line, and then pressing the inner corner and the outer corner of the lash band against my skin. And these are so stunning. I absolutely love them. I think they go really well with today's look. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys! Even if you try, you